Are you considering investing in the Indian defense sector? Here are some top defense stocks that are considered promising for the future. These companies have shown strong potential due to government initiatives promoting indigenous defense, manufacturing, and reducing dependency on imports. Bharat Electronics Limited. BEL is known for its strong fundamentals and consistent performance, making it a leading player in the defense electronics sector. If you are looking for a company involved in the design, manufacture, and assembly of aircraft, helicopters, and related systems, then Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. CHAL is a major aerospace and defense company worth considering. Bharat Dynamics Limited. BDL specializes in the production of missile systems and other defense equipment, making it a key player in the defense industry. Additionally, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited and Garden Reach Shipbuilders. Engineers, GRSE, are engaged in the construction of warships, submarines, and shipbuilding for the defense sector. These companies have strong potential for growth and are well positioned for the future, making them attractive options for investment. If you have any specific criteria or preferences for your investment, consider these top defense stocks in India, with the government's focus on promoting indigenous defense manufacturing. These companies are expected to benefit from the increasing demand for defense equipment and systems. Whether you are looking for long-term investments or opportunities in the defense sector, these stocks offer promising prospects for the future.